Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So today we will be continuing with our project. So previously we have added one splash screen which was literally not doing anything. So we will fix that. So today's target is to do something with the button binding and to have some background music to it. So let's continue that. So previously the section which we have created, it was the public. So I don't think that we do need these properties in the public section, so I will make it protected. Next thing, for the button, I do want it to b underscore, not the pu, and for the border I will make it as bo, just to have the proper understanding. And the next thing, let's compile this first. Okay, it is up. Go inside the splash screen. Now compile. It will throw you the errors as we have changed the parameters name. So I will reflect them here too. PO, and for the button we will use P. Okay, let's compile and we should be good to go. The screen was looking good and it is looking good. Okay, and the next thing is first the button binding. So let's, okay, there's one more thing. Like when I was pressing tab while writing these classes, the includes were getting imported automatically. So make sure that you have those includes. I am just shifting those includes to the C++ side because just to make it little bit lighter. And what I will do, I will forward declare these classes. So see, forward declaration, you canvas, your image, same, like I'm just forward declaring it. I'm just promising that in the CPP I will adding them, but in the header file I'm just forward declare it that yes, I will include this class. Forward declare it, same with the button. Okay, cool. Okay, next is the let's create the constructor. Let's make it under the public. So inside the constructor, what I will do, the name of the button which I have created, I will check if it does exist. So if it does, then b underscore next dot on clicked. I do want something on clicked or on pressed. Add dynamic uh, user object. So this comma the function name. We haven't created the function name yet, so let's go back here in the in the private. I will create the function void next button pressed or the clicked. I think it was clicked. Alt enter, generate definition. So press and as we have to give the address. So this should be good. And here I just want to remove this widget from the parent. So this remove from parent. As we will revisit the code, like, so I'm just for now remove me after proper implementation. Okay, so this is done. Next thing is okay, for the sound, do let's add the component. So u property, edit anywhere, blueprint read write, category audio. The category is not important, uh, but I'm uh, using it like just in case. uh, so u audio component. So as soon as I will press tab, it will include that file, so I will shift that to okay. It is not cool. Star, and it will be the background music. Okay, think this is good. Next thing is in the header file, like here, what I will do, let me open the project and go to the asset in the sound. I will have the reference. Okay, I haven't included the sound yet, just give me a second. Let me import it. Hitman music. So background music, and background music too. I'm just removing the space just in case. But these are in MP3. I don't think MP3s are supported. So let me quickly convert it into the wave file. MP3 to wave. Give me a second. Okay, so these are the wave file. I just converted them online. Let me remove this. Same with the second one. Okay, and the project is here. So, okay. Okay, so just click right on one of them. I'm thinking to use this for the splash one, and go to the copy reference. Okay, here. Uh, so here we will use static load object. I'm not sure like it will work for the user widget too, but let's check. So this is the class name. Here we will write, and what else? Just give me a second. Let me read the parameters name again. The object will be null. The name, file name. Oh, okay. The class, object, text. Okay. Class, comma, here it will be null, comma, and here we do want to enter the path. Okay, so it is the sound wave. So sound wave static class. Yep. What else? Next is we have to cast it to the CU sound wave, else it won't work. So cast, and we will save it in a variable. Background music. Are we doing something wrong? Let me check. Nope. Okay, this should be good. Now once we have the reference and the audio component which we will be using, I will put if the background music is there. What I will do, I will set source or sound. Oh shit, it is the file. So the component name is the background music. So okay, the background music audio component. background music audio component dot sound is equals to the background music, and I will play it in the begin. So again, go to the header file. Let me alt enter generate code. Let me check what are the constructors. No, we don't want constructors. Generate code, override members, and let me group it. Go down. I always group them like this, so we will have the idea. And I want to implement a few. So one is like the native constructor, this one, and yep, this is the only one I think. Or initialize native constructor. Okay, initialize, and on initialize 2 we can do the task. Like there are different events which we can use. So on initialize, let's do that. Press OK. uh, Press alt enter, generate definition. uh, Native on initialized, I do want to play the sound here. So if first the background music, so background music AC dot sound exist, then I will play background AC dot play. Okay, let me go to the project. Everything is saved, and let me compile it. Control B. I have created this shortcut for me, so you will have the button here which you can press. So now I prepared default constructor available, use the widget. Okay, we can do, okay, so this was it. As it is saying that default constructor is not available and we are using it, so let's do one thing, shift everything to the initialize, uh, native on initialized, on the initialize, and this should do the task, and we will remove this constructor. uh, let's try it now. I have tried, so it will work. Okay, this is good. Next thing is go to the UI just to check if it is working fine. Nope. In the initialize, okay, let's do one thing. This is getting hectic. uh, Let me shift it everything here, and let me comment this out. Okay, compile. Okay, it is working. Let me check if in the graph we have everything. Okay, class setting, class default. uh, okay, so the issue which I think we did is the component. So I don't think we should use it. Let's take another approach. Like if you will right click and sound, play sound 2D, so it will be u gameplay statics. So what I will do in the constructor, let me remove this again, let me remove this, and alt enter, generate code, Let me see if we have constructor here. Native constructor. Okay, just press OK. Let me implement it. Alt enter generate. Okay, so in the native constructor, you game. Sorry, you game play statics, place sound 2D, and here the you object the world. So get world, and I will put a check before it. So use sound base. So let me check if uh, can we do something like this. Next is the default. So if I will write it, if background music does exist, then do that, else ue log temp, sorry, log temp warning text, the file which you added not found. Okay, think this should work. Let's try that. Control B. Okay. Just for the test, what I will do, I will add it in the label blueprint just for the testing. Let me remove this. Uh, create widget. The widget which I want to use is the splash screen. Warning player, we don't want anything. Add to viewport. And this is it. Let's try. I disconnected in between. Okay, I'm able to hear the sound, but I was unable to view the screen. So let's check if we are doing anything wrong. I think this should be good to go. Actually, I'm stupid, really stupid. So I have chosen the raw one, like the C++ one, and the splash screen which we have to choose is the UI underscore splash screen. So my bad. Let me compile, save, and try that now. Clean up any delegate. Let me stop and debug it again. While I was checking it, so I commented this line out just to see the things. Interesting. Native on initialized. Okay. I don't know why that debug is coming, but the game is running fine. I'm still thinking why that debug is coming. But it's not an error, so it's a good thing for us. Let's try that again. So let me try it in the new editor. So just press the resume button. So this is actually looking good. I'm quite happy. Okay, so while I was pressing the button, it was not working. So let us check why. Let me check if it is getting the debug here. Guess not. This is on the on click on press. Let's check if it will make any change, because it should have worked. Nope, still the same. Okay, so the issue was actually I haven't included the u function here. Now it should work fine. Hope so. Everything is in its place, so let's try that. But like except this, everything was working fine, right? We will be able to see the audio, and uh, in the button hovering and the pressing, it is giving that cranky sound. Let's try. Sorry. Yep, this is working fine. Awesome. So this was it, and just like my video if you like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.